Okay, let's look at number 26. Number 26 is the picture frame. A picture frame with a wooden border is a regular triangle. You want to decorate the frame by wrapping a ribbon around it. How many feet of ribbon are needed to wrap the ribbon around the border one time? Now, what did they say this was? A regular triangle. That means all three sides are what? Equilateral, congruent. So I can figure out x because what do I know about all three sides since it's regular? They're all the same. So I know that 7x plus 8 has to equal the same length as 3x plus 16, right? It's a regular triangle, which means it's equilateral, so let's solve. I'm going to move the 3x. So I've got 4x plus 8 equals 16. And then I'm going to move the 8. So I'm going to subtract the 8. So 4x equals 8. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to 2. Now I'm not done yet. I want to know how many feet of ribbon are needed to wrap the ribbon around the border one time. Now, I'm going to plug in x to find the length of one of the two sides. It should be the same. So 3 times, what do we get for x? 2 plus 16 is 6 plus 16, which is 22. 22 what? Inches. Right? One side is 22 inches. So how many inches is the entire thing? Well, if that's 22, that should be 22, and that should be 22. If you want to check and make sure you got the right answer, plug 2 in here. What's 7 times 2? 14 plus 8 is 22. So 22 plus 22 plus 22 gives me 66 inches. So I would need 66 inches of ribbon to wrap around that frame. But what's the question asking? It's not asking inches. What is it asking? Feet, right? So how do I convert 66 inches to feet? Remember we talked about how in science you do your multiplication? To convert, I want to get rid of the inches. So, in 12 inches represents what? 1 foot. So I'm going to multiply. I could also just divide by 12. Accomplishes the same thing. So you're going to end up with 66 over 12, and what cancels out? Inches. This is just like you do in science to convert. So I have 66 divided by 12, and 66 divided by 12 is 5 and 6/12, which is 5.5. So the actual answer is 5.5 feet. So make sure you read the question carefully and you're paying attention to detail.